Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. I am in my kitchen. The sun is quickly coming out and warming the day up, and I'm really excited to share with you something I just got in the mail, and this is the March Joyful Jordan box. So let's get started. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been around before, then you might be familiar with this monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. Jordan Essentials is a woman-owned company based out of Nixa, Missouri. They do bath and body products, home products, healthy life, healthy skin products, and they're all made in the United States, which I love. So this is their monthly surprise box. You can get it one time for $25, or you can subscribe for the monthly subscription, and it'll be $25 for the box, but then you also get free shipping, and it'll just automatically charge your card and ship out on whatever day you choose each month. So that's always fun, because then you have some great healthy skin, non-toxic and natural products for your home and family coming to your door. It is a surprise each month, but as a consultant, I have the opportunity each month, if I sell $500 by the 15th of the month, then I can earn the box free and get to order it early. It's our Green by 15 program, so that's one of my goals every month, and I reached it again in February, so thank you to my customers who helped me get there. And without further ado, let's see what's in the March Joyful Jordan box. So we always start with a little quick peek. On the side it says open a little joy, and on the back it's ready for shipping. So these are a great thing to re-gift the box, or if you want to order this to send out, you can just put your shipping label there and ship it right out to someone, because we all would like to be together more, but we can't. So on the inside, when you lift the flap, it says hey there, which is pretty cute. And then as we open, we'll see what's in the box. And it is definitely a little box of awesomeness this month, as we're finishing up with some of our winter temps and thinking about spring. So each box comes with a card that tells you a little bit about what's inside the box, and usually has a quote or an inspirational verse. And this one says, "Vacay all day. Come to me, all of you who are tired from the heavy burden you have been forced to carry. I will give you rest." And that is Matthew 11:28. And what a pretty card this month, with lots of vibes from tropical vacations. And here we go on the back. It'll tell us what's inside the box. So each box usually comes with at least one, sometimes two items that are exclusive to that box. And then sometimes the third item is something that's in our catalog, but perhaps in a different size, or something that's new that we haven't had yet. So it looks like this time around we have all three products in our new scent, which is the Cocoa Mango. That's our new spring and summer scent, and that came out in our new catalog. So if you'd like to get your hands on that, just let me know in the comments down below, or you can send me a message and I can have one sent to you. I'll also link my digital version of the catalog in case you want to see. And with that new scent, we have some awesome products. None of these are in the catalog currently in the Cocoa Mango scent. So this is really cool to get all these exclusive products. This is a $42 value on this box. So for $25, it really is an awesome deal. And it gives you a chance to try out some things that you wouldn't otherwise have the chance. So we have the Hydrating Body Spritzer. So that's going to be this one right here. And this is the Cocoa Mango scent, and it is aloe infused with glycerin, and it's a refreshing blend of natural ingredients. So these hydrating body spritzers, of course, you can spray them on your person and use them like you would perfume. You can also spray it in your hair if you want to just have a little refreshing scent every time you toss your hair. You can spray them around the room. You can spray them on your linen. So if you really want to get that vacay vibe going in your home, or maybe in your office, this would be a really fun one to have on hand. And next we have the body polish. So we do have things in our catalog that are similar, like we have our spa polish, and it has some of the same ingredients, the walnut and the exfoliating elements, but this one of course is in that Cocoa Mango scent. So if you love Cocoa Mango, this is the box for you for sure. So this is like our shower gel, and then it has these extra exfoliating ingredients, and of course no aluminum, no parabens, no isopropyl alcohol, no mineral oil, no SLS, no SLES, and no gluten. So these are always really healthy, natural, non-toxic products that you can use for your home and family. So like I said, the body polish is great for exfoliating. I like to do this on my feet or on my legs before I do a shave, and that way I get a really nice close shave. So that's another great one to try. And finally, we have the Tone and Firm Body Lotion. So this again is that wonderful cocoa mango scent, but the Tone and Firm Body Lotion is really a fan favorite. So this has ingredients that will help smooth and tone your skin. It's enriched with botanical ingredients that firm, tone, and hydrate. So this is a really fun one to give a try this month as well. And again, you'll have that great tropical scent and feel like you're headed to the beach. And I like the cocoa mango scent because it isn't really strong on the cocoa. It's a little more of that fresh fruity mango scent with just a hint of the cocoa. So to me, it's just a nice balanced summery scent. So that is your March Joyful Jordan box. So it's kind of fun to have all these things that make us think of the vacation when it's just March and we're still trying to get out of winter and think about spring. And like I said, I'll link everything below. If you have any questions, feel free to jot them in the comments or send me a message and I'll do my best to answer them. And this will be available March 1st to March 31st, 2021. And again, it's $25 plus shipping and tax. But of course, if you do the subscription, then you get this free shipping and it's a $42 value. So really a nice collection of products at a great deal this month. All right, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great one and I will look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.